constantly be telling the people that God had a plan. You see, that's the good news. God has always had a plan. Well, that's probably what Michael is leading up to now.
I don't know, Isaiah. You always were an optimist.
Of course I was. I still am, because I've got something to be optimistic about. And if all the angels will help me out, I'll tell you what I told my people all those years.
Look up, you people, for the Lord we should cry. Lift up your eyes into the heavens. Lift up your praises, for his promise is nigh, a promise of peace to all men. Sing to the Lord, sing to the Lord, sing to the Lord, all ye lands. Come join the mountains in singing, for his promise is at hand. Look up, ye people, for the Lord we should cry. Lift up your eyes into the heavens. Lift up your praises, for his promise is nigh, a promise of peace to all men. Peace on earth, goodwill to men. Peace on earth, goodwill to all men. Look up, ye people, for the Lord we should cry. Lift up your eyes into the heavens. Lift up your praises, for his promise is nigh, a promise of peace to all men. Sing to the Lord, sing to the Lord, sing to the Lord, all ye lands. Come join the mountains in singing, for his promise is at hand. Look up, ye people, for the Lord we should cry. Lift up your eyes into the heavens. Lift up your praises, for his promise is nigh, a promise of peace to all men. A promise of peace to all men.
I'm happy to announce that God has decided to go to Earth.
But God hasn't lived on Earth since creation.
Yes, but that was before there was any eye trouble.
That's right. Don't you remember? Everything was beautiful on Earth. Man felt so close to God. God walked with Adam and Eve in the cool of the evening. There was no sin, no death, just peace and happiness. Then, that old stinker Lucifer, he decided that he had to be as powerful as God. So of course, God had no choice but to kick him and his whole rotten crew out of heaven. And things have been fine here ever since.
Of course they have, but that wasn't the end of Lucifer. Since he went to Earth, things there have gone from good to bad to worse.
Sure, but everyone knows the devil's gonna get it in the end.
Of course he will, but in the meantime, God has got to find a way to be close to man again.
We understand that, Michael, but does he actually have to go down to Earth and live among them? Yeah, why would he want to do that?
such a great sacrifice?
Why?
Because God loves man.
Of course, God loves everyone.
Wait a minute. I can see how God loves us. We're perfect angels. But how can he love a people who are well, let's face it, so sinful?
Like I said, it doesn't make sense to us, but the fact is, God loves people not for what they are, but for what they can be.
Well, all I can say is that must be